Hi guys, welcome back to Mr. Mechanical. Just doing a quick video featuring the laser engraver that I've mentioned in the past few videos. I did have somebody ask to see a video of it working, and I said I would do that next time I had it running, so this is that next job. And I mentioned as well in the previous videos that I've been engraving chopping boards. I've just been buying these little bamboo chopping boards in a pack of 3. This is the smallest one out of the pack, and I've got and then this is a medium-sized one, and there's one that's slightly bigger in the pack. But for this job, I'm just going to be using the small one, and my wife wants this laser engraved as a gift to her midwife, following a recent birth of our son. So I'm just going to show you how I set this up, and I'll show you the machine operating and putting my wife's design on that chopping board. Okay, so this is my bed. It's just the top of a plywood cabinet I've made to sit the laser engraver on. So the first thing I do is I've got the laptop plugged into the control board, which is just an Arduino based grbl board. So lightburn is starting up. I'll just plug in the power. So there you can hear the fan on the laser, that's just started up, and then just got a button actually just up here which just turns on that laser there, just so you can see where you're aiming and you can set your reference point. So I'll get the design opened up and I'll do that now. Okay, so I've got the lightburn software opened up now. I'll get some screenshots of the software and I'll drop them in the video when I upload it, just so you can see what I'm doing. So the first thing I need to do is I find it easier to set my reference point as the center. So I'm going to do that now. For this direction, the X direction, I can move the board along this fence that I've fixed to the top of my table just to keep it square to the X-axis travel. So, but for the Y center, I just need to jog it this way, just to get a better idea of how far I need to jog it. I just use a tape to measure, doing all this in the lightburn software. So I'm going to jog it 25mm towards the camera. Okay, so that's moved 25mm towards you. So I'm happy with the position, but the other thing I do just as a check is there's a button on lightburn called frame, and that'll just draw a square with that laser to make sure everything's going to fit. So that looks good to me. Just going to double check all the settings are right before I start. So I'm doing all this with a speed of 9mm a second and the laser on 100%. Some of the text in this design that my wife's done is fill and some of it is line, so you'll see that working. The other setting I'm just going to check is in machine settings or device settings. Yeah, and I'm going to have the fast white space scan, so wherever the laser isn't engraving, it's going to be sped up to 40mm a second. Okay, so now I'm happy with that. We can hit start and start engraving. So there it is, that's that board complete. Hopefully you get an idea of how it works. If this is the sort of content you'd like to see more of on my channel, please comment below, give the video a thumbs up, and please subscribe if you're new to my videos, and thanks for watching.